Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on live transcribe on your Samsung phone, but first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to the settings, then scroll down to the accessibility, after that to advanced settings, to installed services. And here you can see the first one is live transcribe, which is for converting speech to text, and it says that live transcribe shows speech as text on your screen so you can participate in conversations around you more easily. You can type responses on screen while viewing the transcription, get alerted when your name is spoken, and search within transcriptions. Google processes your conversation but never stores them. Alright, so if you want that, you have to open Live Transcribe, of course, this time. And here you can see that it is working. Right? You can have a Live Transcribe shortcut as well. And here you have several settings for it, like for the display, for the audio and language, saving and events, and some other more. So you can check it out, and if it was helpful for you, please consider subscribing. Wish you a very beautiful day. Bye bye.